What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're going to be jumping into the next one on our FailArmy journey. Funny and weird weather. Best nature fails. Long as it's not me being hosted in the video, we're off to a good start. I mean, I'm all about watching somebody else have a terrible day, especially if I'm having a terrible day, because then I get to feel so much more better about my day. So, let's jump into it. Let's check it out together. You left it on the request form. I'm here with it. If you enjoy it, definitely go show FailArmy some love on their channel. We're already subbed up. We're hitting the like button now. You should too. It's down below inside the description. Let's go.
I'm here at Island Beach, and there's no sign to stop.
What the hell did just hit her in the... Come out. No, was it a salmon? What was it? What kind of ocean fish was that? I could have swore I just saw a fish.
At Island Beach, and there's no sign to stop.
That was either a fish or a bird. Might have been a pelican. You should try in the sand, buddy. It's a lot softer of a landing. I guess if you got places to be. Oh! Be glad it was snow. No, this just has bad idea written all over it. You want to get yep?
Honestly, it's right over me head a second.
Oh shit! Whoa, baby!
Backwards.
Yeah, and frontwards.
Oh my god!
I think you might as well just gone ahead and give up. I think you might as well just gone ahead and give up snow plowing that of any sort. You might as well call into work.
Hang on, Marie, hang on.
That's a lot of scaffolding. And here's what the new building's gonna look like.
What a sick suit, man.
You know how long it takes to put that stuff up? Took only a few seconds to tear it down.
Ну вот про это и хихикаем, что...
Про это и тренинг.
Про это тренинг, да.
I wanna do that to someone.
You want the ball? You want the ball? Okay, go get it.
It's here somewhere.
Where is it? Where'd it go?
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found. What is that again, honey? Is that a snow penis?
It looks like to me.
Oh!
Holy shit!
Oh! Whoa!
Oh my god!
You are crazy to hell. No way. No. No. Oh! Oh! That was cold. Let me out! This is bullshit. Let me out of here. Oh, my cats would have a blast. It's in there somewhere, buddy. It's in there. Freedom. Get it. Dig deep.
No! Oh, I know.
I don't like it.
I don't like it either.
Go away, Joe.
I know. It's terrible, isn't it?
Go away.
Go away.
Careful now. Careful now. Careful now. That's a workout and a half. Back in my day, we had to walk uphill both ways in the snow. That's what I imagine. Yeah, that's a person. What else would it be? You are brave as hell, fording the river. What are you doing? Yeah, you're gonna go swimming is what's gonna happen. Bye. Conga! Oh, yeah, you might not want to stand next to the cars that just had an accident. Hey, you're free. You broke free. Get out of there. Listen, it's sliding, people. You are not strong enough to stop that truck by any stretch of the imagination. Ladies and gentlemen, if your car starts to slide down a hill due to ice, and you somehow think that you have the friction required on your shoes to stop said vehicle, I'm just gonna go ahead and say you deserve what you get. Get out of the way and just let it do what it's gonna do. You've got insurance for a reason. That's how people get killed. Get out of the way. I mean, this. Gangster. And he's going down. It had to be his. That was not a. Can I just go ahead and throw this out there? That was a people are awesome moment and not a fail moment for sure. Hello. Oh, that's how you lose your teeth.
Look what you made!
That's cold. That's cold. That like a popsicle. Oh, you smashed your mouth that time. Be careful. Ice is sharp.
Oh shit! Love him.
Go.
He knows what's up. He knows what's up. And he's teaching his dog how to swim without even getting him in the water. That is the cutest little scruffy puppy ever.
Big tornado. Let's go, boy.
We should just let it go. Oh no?
We're gonna have to let it go. We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go, guys. Back up. Turn into the wind. Let it go.
Oh boy!
That antenna is whipping.
Just the mirror and this? Not a scratch.
Hard in this mother, ball hard in this mother, ball hard in this mother, ball.
That's a strong ass pole.
Oh, yeah! There it goes! Oh, oh, shit! Oh, holy shit!
It's got to be on a Marine Corps base.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Wouldn't that be hell if you're in the desert and you're thirsty and went to take your last sips of water and got blown away by the wind?
It's a dead end! Oh shit! Oh, I hope I don't flood the fucking engine! Oh, this is stupid. Oh, this is so fucking stupid. I flooded the engine.
Oh, yeah, you did. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Funny and weird weather. Best nature fails from FailArmy. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely go over and show them some love. It's always a pleasant time watching people fail or watching people be awesome, like that one dude in the robe with the cup. Yeah, not me. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely go show FailArmy some love. Hit the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but I won't believe you. Check out the other video up there. One of these guys up here. Until the next one on How the Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.